So just looking at the changes that happen to nouns in the Tuiseal Ainmneach, the nominative clause. When you put on before it, an talt or on. Okay, the. So this is all in the iver uha, the singular. So what I have written here below is an example of nouns that are masculine along the top and nouns that are feminine along the bottom. And these give us hints as to what happens in each section. So looking at the first section, you've got an fear and an van. So an fear doesn't change. So we can write that in plus tada. And an van gets a H. Okay. Ban changes to an van. They are nouns that start on a consonant. Moving on to the next section, gota, a vowel. So Amadon and Irish. There's a T fleshkin goes in before the gota if it's masculine, and nothing happens if it's feminine, an plus tada. And then the last one, on shapel agus an troid. Shapel gets no change, and an troid gets a T. D's and T's can't take any change, whether they're masculine or feminine. Now we look at the changes that happen nouns when we put them into the Tuiseal Ginideach. So I've pre-populated this chart already with the antalt. So all nouns in the singular that are masculine take on, and all nouns that are feminine in the singular take na. So on changes to na for feminine nouns, on stays as on if they're masculine. Now we look at our examples. Ifig an fuisht. So nothing happened to it in the Tuiseal Ainmneach, but in the Tuiseal Ginideach it gets a H. Glynna na fuinoige. That got a H in the Tuiseal Ainmneach. Now it gets nothing, so it changes back. Hata an Amadon, an Tamadon, changes to an Amadon, so nothing happens here at the start of the word. Na hirisha, Irish, an Irish changes to na plus H. Na hirisha at the start of the word. Dian an tapel, an plus T and shin. Trasna na shroide, an shroid changes to trasna na shroide, no change at the start. And again, no change happens for D's and T's. An plus tada and na plus tada. Anim an doin tas na tina.